run?
Run.
Let's try.
Let's try. Let's go. Can you run, 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 run? Can you run, 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 run? Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Swim.
Let's try.
Let's try. Can you swim, 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 swim? Can you swim, 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 swim? Yes, I can.
Can you fly?
Can you fly?
Let's try.
Let's try. Can you fly, 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 fly? Can you fly, 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 fly? No, I can't.
Can you jump?
Jump.
Let's try.
Let's try. Can you jump, 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 jump? Can you jump, 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 jump? Yes, I can. Well done, boys and girls. Thank you, boys and girls, for singing the song with me. That was so much fun. Yay! Now, for mommies and daddies, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can get our new English songs and other videos. And please follow us on Facebook. The link's in the description below. Well, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. See you, boys and girls. Bye.